Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English channel, where learning English is easy, simple, and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again.
Hi, Paul. How are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. And you, Emily? You look relaxed today.
I feel relaxed. The weather is nice, and I'm excited about today's topic.
Oh, yes. Today's topic is very interesting and very useful.
Yes, it is. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
Thank you so much for your support. Okay, Paul, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's begin.
Paul, today we are going to talk about daily life, dreams, and future plans.
That's right. These are very common topics in real conversations.
Exactly. People often ask, what do you do every day?
Yes, so let's start with daily routine. Emily, tell me about your daily life.
Okay, on weekdays, I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
7 a.m. That's early.
Yes, but I like mornings. I wake up, brush my teeth, and make my bed.
Good habits.
Thank you. Then I have breakfast. I usually eat toast, eggs, and fruit.
That sounds healthy.
After breakfast, I go to university. I study art, so I have classes like drawing and painting.
That sounds fun.
It is. After classes, I sometimes go to the library.
What do you do at the library?
I read books, work on projects, or just relax.
That's nice. And in the evening?
In the evening, I go home, have dinner, and talk with my family.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, sometimes. I like watching movies before bed.
Sounds like a calm day.
Now it's my turn. My daily routine is a little different.
Okay, tell me about it.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Wow, that's very early.
Yes, because I'm a teacher. I need time to prepare lessons.
What do you do after waking up?
I take a shower, drink coffee, and check my emails.
Coffee is very important.
Very important. Then I go to work. I teach English to students of different ages.
Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, I love it. Helping people learn English makes me happy.
That's wonderful.
After work, I go home, walk my dog, Max, and have dinner.
Do you cook?
Sometimes. Other times, I order food.
That's real life.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about free time.
Good idea. What do you do in your free time, Emily?
I like painting, reading, and listening to music.
What kind of music?
I like soft music and pop songs.
Nice. I like rock music.
Yes, I remember. What do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I wake up late.
That sounds good.
I play soccer with my friends on Saturday.
That's healthy.
And on Sunday, I relax. I watch movies or visit my family.
Family time is important.
Very important.
Now comes my favorite part, dreams.
Ah, dreams. Everyone has dreams.
Yes. Paul, what is your dream?
My dream is to travel around the world.
That's a beautiful dream.
I want to visit different countries and learn about cultures.
Which country do you want to visit first?
Japan.
Japan is amazing.
What about you, Emily? What is your dream?
My dream is to become a famous artist.
That's wonderful.
I want to have my own art exhibition one day.
I believe you can do it.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Now, let's talk about future plans.
Okay. Next year, I want to finish my studies.
And after that?
I want to work as an illustrator.
That sounds exciting.
Yes, I also want to learn new skills.
Like what?
Digital art and animation.
Very modern skills.
Paul, what are your future plans?
I want to open my own English school.
Wow, that's a big plan.
Yes, but I'm working step by step.
That's the best way.
I also want to write an English learning book.
That's amazing. Now let's help our listeners.
Yes, many people are learning English.
If someone asks, "Tell me about your daily life," what should they say?
They can say simple sentences.
For example, my name is, I wake up at, I work as,
Exactly. Simple English is good English.
and for dreams?
They can say, my dream is to, I want to in the future.
Perfect. Let's do a short example.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Emily. I am a student. I like painting. My dream is to become an artist.
Great. Hi, my name is Paul. I am a teacher. I like dogs and pizza. My dream is to travel the world.
See? Very easy.
Learning English doesn't have to be scary.
Yes, it's okay to make mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
Be confident. Be friendly. Keep practicing.
And most importantly, enjoy learning.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope this video helped you.
Now it's your turn.
Go to the comments and write about yourself.
Tell us about your daily life, dreams, or future plans.
We would love to read your comments.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Stay safe and keep practicing English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.